नमस्कार दोस्तों 15 मई को भारत के चीफ जस्टिस सूर्यकांत की ओर से भारत के युवाओं की तुलना कॉकरोच से किए जाने के बाद उसका एक बहुत ही तगड़ा जवाब अब सटायर के रूप में, कटाक्ष के रूप में दिया गया है। और जो आप यहां पर मेरे पीछे देख पा रहे हैं, कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी, सटायर के रूप में ही सही, एक पार्टी बनाई गई जिसका नाम रखा गया कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी, क्योंकि सूर्यकांत जी ने हमारे देश के युवाओं की, खास तौर पर बेरोजगार युवाओं की तुलना कॉकरोच से की। और उसके बाद से ही सोशल मीडिया पर सटायर की तो शुरुआत हुई। अगर आप इस वेबसाइट को देखेंगे तो ये इतना पॉपुलर होता जा रहा है कि अब तक 40,000 से ज्यादा लोग कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं।
Alright, so what basically happened is in one of the recent judgment, CJI Suryakant says that there are parasites attacking the system. There are youngsters like cockroaches who don't really get any employment and don't have any place in the profession. Some of them become media, some of them become social media, some of them become RTI activists, and some of them become other activists, and they start attacking the system. Okay, I mean that's really shocking. Let's just have a look at what happened after this particular incident. There is this guy known as Abhijit Dipke, founding president, Cockroach Janta Party. Okay, so they have basically formed a party, Cockroach Janta Party. Okay, so I think they are using the CJI's remark of cockroach and they've started a new political party, Cockroach Janta Party. Interesting. Okay, now let's have a look at their website, Cockroach Janta Party, EST 2026, voice of the lazy and unemployed. That's crazy, man. Join the party, okay? We are not here to set up another PM Cares. We are not here to set up another PM Cares, holiday in Davos on taxpayer salary slip, or rebrand corruption as strategic spending. Okay, I'm sure you are getting this. We are here to ask loudly, repeatedly, and in writing where the money went. I mean, yes, every political party should be responsible enough to say where the taxpayer money is going. So they do have a manifesto as well. Let me just read it out for you guys. If the CJI comes in power, no Chief Justice shall be granted a Rajya Sabha seat as a post-retirement reward. That sounds quite sarcastic. If any legit vote deleted, whether in a CJI or opposition ruled state, the CEC shall be arrested under UAPA, as taking a voting right of citizen is no less than terrorism. Oh my god, that's crazy. Women shall receive 50% reservation, not 33, without increasing the strength of parliament. Additionally, 50% of all cabinet positions shall be reserved for women. All media houses owned by Ambani and Adani shall have their license cancelled to make way for truly independent media. Bank account of Gaudy media anchors shall be investigated. Any MLA or MP who defects from one party to another shall be barred from contesting elections. Okay, interesting. That should be definitely done, you know. And from holding any public office for a period of 20 years. Holy shit.